Lesson 19. Lesson 19 of Gregg Shorthand for Colleges Volume 1. So we will start from brief forms and then the sound of you. So all you need to do is to familiarize all the principles and then please memorize the brief forms. Part, PT, present, PR, Miss, MS, advertise, AVT, long IS, opportunity, OPR, immediate, EME. For the sound of you, as in use, is represented by oval shape and then UU. Use, oval shape, UU, S. Few, F, oval shape, UU. View, V, oval shape, UU. Review, RV, oval shape, UU. Unit, oval shape, UUNET. Unique, oval shape, UUNEK. Unite, oval shape, UUN long IT. Pure, P, oval shape, UUR. Acute, AK, oval shape, UUT. Word ending MENT is represented by letter M only. Payment, PA, MENT. Management, MNJ, MENT. Shipment, HEP, MENT. Advertisement, AVT, long IS, MENT. Department, DPT, MENT. Equipment, EKW, EP, MENT. Movement, MOOV, MENT. Replacement, RPLAS, MENT. Settlement, SETL, MENT. Treatment, TRET, MENT. Element, ELE, MENT. Assignment, AS, long I, N, MENT. So this is a JAG. Ang purpose ng JAG is to identify that there is letter N and letter M. Nagdudugtungan sila. Word ending shall is represented by ish. Special, SPE, ish. Special, ESPE, ish. Partial, PAR, ish. Financial, FENAN, ish. Social, SO-ish. Official, OFE-ish. Initial, ENE-ish. Initially, ENE-ish, li. Initialed, ENE-ish, D. Number 7. Ladies and gentlemen, for the past 20 years, the Daily Star has issued a special new car preview section, period. This year, we will again issue a special new car review section, period. This valuable section will be delivered with the morning issue of the July 5 Daily Star, paragraph. This unique preview will reach about 500,000 people, a great many of whom are ready to order and are able to buy a new car, period. Of the people who will read this preview, 81% presently own one or more cars and 62% purchased a new or used car last year. Paragraph. As the manufacturer of car equipment, accessories, and parts, you should invest your advertising money where it will do the most good, period. You should place a well-planned advertisement in this preview, period. It represents an opportunity for a immediate increase in your sales, period. Take a moment immediately to call Miss Mary Hughes, manager of our advertising department, and arrange to get your advertising message in the July 5 preview section, period. Miss Hughes number is 555-9864, period. Sincerely yours.